Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Dr-630 is probably one of the most sought-after drum machines for producers looking to inject that classic, punchy sound into their modern tracks, offering a versatile palette of 16-bit sounds that defined an era and continue to inspire creativity across genres from hip-hop to electronic music. Number 5. Brother Dr-630 Genuine Drum Unit. Introducing the Brother Dr-630 Genuine Drum Unit. Designed for exceptional performance and reliability. This drum unit offers an impressive approximate yield of 12,000 pages in black. Get more out of every print. It's compatible with a range of Brother printer models, including the DCP and HL series. Ensures seamless integration with your device. Experience consistent, high-quality prints with this durable drum unit. It's built to last and perform. Please note that the approximate yield may vary depending on your specific printing usage. This is a drum unit, not a toner or ink cartridge. What we like. This is the genuine drum unit from Brother, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. If you prioritize guaranteed compatibility and peace of mind with your printer, this is the choice for you. It's perfect for users who want to avoid any potential issues and stick with the brand they trust. What people say. A solid black test page reveals no streaks or imperfections. The printer is over 10 years old and has never had a paper jam. This drum was packaged well and its surface was perfect like you'd expect. Replacing this drum allowed me to get a used 8-year-old printer working like new. Excellent drum for my 7-year-old printer. Previous OEM part lasted the full 7 years. Number 4. Dr-630 Drum Unit, not toner. This is a replacement drum unit, not a toner cartridge. It's designed to work seamlessly with your compatible Brother printer. Enjoy exceptional printing with this drum unit. It produces rich blacks and can print up to 12,000 pages, ensuring long-lasting performance. This drum unit is compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models, including the HL L2300D series and MFC L2700DW series. Get professional quality prints with ease. Installation is straightforward, and it provides excellent print quality for all your needs. Before purchasing, please verify that your printer model is compatible with this drum unit to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. What we like. Get a high page yield of up to 12,000 pages with this compatible drum replacement. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that still delivers excellent print quality with rich blacks, this is a great option. It's ideal for budget-conscious users who print frequently. What people say. Work as good as the original. The drum fit perfectly and took just a couple of minutes to replace the drum and reinstall the toner cartridge, and I expect to get another 5,000 or so pages printed from my reliable and inexpensive laser printer. Print quality is excellent. The only thing I notice after using this replacement drum unit is, I got paper jam error message few times. Never had that issue on the OEM drum. Number 3. InkNI compatible drum replacement for Brother Dr-630, 2-pack. Ensure crisp, clear prints with our compatible drum units. Designed for seamless integration with your Brother printer, they deliver exceptional performance page after page. Get more done with an impressive page yield of up to 12,000 pages per drum. This means fewer replacements and more productivity for your home or office. Installation is straightforward, and resetting the unit is simple following the included instructions. Get your printer back up and running in no time. These drum units are engineered to be compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal function. This convenient 2-pack provides excellent value, ensuring you always have a replacement drum on hand when you need it. Maximize your printing efficiency. Please note that this package contains only the drum unit, not the toner cartridge. It's designed to work with your existing toner for reliable printing. What we like. This 2-pack of compatible drum units offers great value and a high yield of up to 12,000 pages each. If you need a consistent supply of drums and are comfortable with a simple reset procedure after installation, this is a smart buy. It's perfect for busy offices or homes that print a lot and want to stock up. What people say. This was as easy to install as toner and made a huge difference in the quality of the print. Works well with my brother's printer. The drum unit works well in my brother MFC L27000W. Number 2. LxTek compatible drum unit for brother Dr-630, 2-pack. Ensure crisp, clear prints with our high-yield drum unit replacement. Designed for exceptional performance, it's the perfect choice for your printing needs. Please note, this package contains the Dr-630 drum unit, not a toner cartridge. It's specifically designed to work with your compatible brother printer. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to meet industry quality standards. You can rely on consistent and dependable performance with every print. Achieve up to 12,000 pages per drum unit at 5% coverage. This means fewer replacements and more printing for your business or home. You'll receive 2 black Dr-630 drum units in this package. Get ready to experience uninterrupted printing. This drum unit is compatible with a wide range of brother printer models, including the HL L2300D and MFC L2705DW series. Check the full list to ensure it's the right fit for you. What we like. This 2-pack of compatible drum units is strictly tested for quality, offering a high yield of up to 12,000 pages per unit. If you value tested quality and need a reliable backup, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for users who want dependable performance without the premium price of genuine parts. What people say. Upon opening the box, I was impressed at the manner in which the 2 shrink-wrapped drum units were sent. They were mounted securely in foam end caps in a tightly fitted box, which itself was then placed in a second outer box with the Amazon logo. I removed my original, brother brand, drum unit and noted that there was no difference in the quality of the plastic frame around the drum. In fact, except for the end label on the handle at the back of the toner holder, this LxTek was identical to the brother. I made several prints and the print quality seems identical as well. Easy to install and cleared ghosting on copies. If it continues to perform well over the year, I will be happily give it 5 stars. When the package arrived, I was pleasantly surprised with 2 drum units in the box. Installation is very easy even for a tech-challenged person like me, and they included an instruction booklet, too. You just take the toner unit out of your old drum and pop it in the new drum and insert it into the printer. My printer is a brother DCP L2540DW. The quality of the copies after the drum change is very good. Both print and solids are sharp. My postal labels are easy to see again. Number 1. V4 Ink compatible Dr-630 TN660 toner replacement. Introducing our compatible toner and drum replacement set, designed for seamless integration with your brother printer. Get reliable performance and exceptional print quality. This value pack includes 1 Dr-630 drum unit and 2 black V4 Ink TN660 compatible toner cartridges. It's everything you need for consistent printing. Our cartridges are compatible with a wide range of brother printer models, including the HL L2300D series and MFC L2700DW series. Check the full list to ensure yours is supported. Achieve impressive page yields with our high-yield cartridges. The drum unit provides up to 12,000 pages, and each toner cartridge offers approximately 2,600 pages. Experience sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics with every print. Our products are designed to be 100% compatible and recognized by your printer. Manufactured under strict ISO standards, our cartridges ensure uniform density and firm fixation for professional quality printouts comparable to original cartridges. What we like. This bundle offers both a high-yield drum unit and toner cartridges, providing a complete printing solution. If you're looking to print more for less and need both components, this set is a fantastic value. It's perfect for users who want to maximize their printing output and minimize costs with a convenient package. What people say. I ordered a drum and toner cartridges for my brother printer and everything fits perfectly. My printer did not reject either because they are a generic brand. Works perfect for our front office printer. Very reliable equipment and quick delivery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.